Hello, today I want to talk about a really good product that I use. It's Stila's Magnificent Lipstick. It's a slimline bullet lipstick from Stila, which I actually just discovered. It's got really great payoff. It's a really good formula. In the world of cosmetics where the liquid lipstick is becoming more popular, this is actually a really great bullet lipstick to try. If you are a traditional lady who likes a regular bullet lipstick, is not into the liquid lipstick phase, this is definitely the product for you. So as you can see, it comes in a small tube, just this size. It's made of a hard plastic color. This really beautiful gold tube with obviously the Stila deco on the front. It's really portable, super light. It doesn't take up too much space in your makeup bag, and you can also throw it in your purse if necessary. You have the bottom here, which has your shade name. Nothing on the top of it. Just so you can get a good idea of how large it is. I have an ink pen here, and just compared to the ink pen, you see that it's not that tall. And you know, it's again very portable. And then just so you can get a good idea of how wide it is, I have a dime. And you can see that it's not even as wide here on the base as the dime is. It's a very small lipstick, but don't think that you don't get a lot of product because it's in a smaller tube, because I'm just gonna show it for you. You do get a lot of product here in this one too. That's a good amount of lipstick. That'll last you for a while. I mean, if you're not gonna use it every day. So basically you have this tube, and then you can see that the top is airtight. It pops off like that, so you always know that it's secure because it'll snap. And so you just want to pop the top off here. As you can see, the product is cut at an angle, which is really great for application because you can line it here with the tip and then just fill it in like that. This is a really great shape for a lipstick. One, because it will help you shape the product perfectly around your lips, but not only that, also it's because it won't smudge. I know that with a lot of traditional bullet lipsticks, this angle here kind of gets lost at some point, and it just turns into kind of like a round mound there, and it, you know, it's hard to stay in place. So I really appreciate this shape. This particular color is called Mon Ami. They made a really great line of bold colors, nudes, and so this is one of the more floral nudes. I'm just going to swatch it for you so that you can see what the color is. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful pinky color. Now just notice that this is a matte lip, so you can see it's not glossy, it doesn't slip, it kind of gives a dry matte effect. So with this particular line, these are matte lipsticks, so just be aware that, you know, they go on not as smooth as a luster lip would go on. It doesn't have as much slip, but it's definitely comfortable, and then it sits on your lips as a matte, so it'll give a nice mattifying effect. I know a lot of makeup lovers would rather a bullet lip that's, you know, has a glossy kind of tone to it, but this is not that. These are all matte. If you like matte lipsticks but just are not a fan of the liquid lips, I would recommend this. It's very easy to use, and the formula is really good. I mean, as you can see, it's not over drying. It's a very creamy glide, but not too creamy, and it looks matte. It looks as if you use a matte liquid lipstick. So this is a really great formula. I recommend it to anyone who is a matte lipstick fan but just doesn't want to deal with the hassle of using a liquid lip. One, the liquid lip tubes are usually a little bit larger, which can be kind of a nuisance in your purse, and to apply a liquid lipstick is not everyone's forte. It can get messy, and it's hard to line your lips with the wiper depending on what it looks like. So this would be a really good alternative. Stila uses the same fragrance for this product with all of the colors, so it's a very nice vanilla flavor. You can taste it a little bit on your lips. You can definitely smell it. Very light. It's not an overpowering smell at all. It's really nice. And so yeah, this is Mon Ami. I have a couple other shades that I want to just show you really quickly. So this is Coquille. Again, this is another one of the nudes. You see you have that angle there. just swatch it for you. So as you can see, it's just a little bit more brown of a tone. It goes on really smooth like the first one, and then it gives a kind of a matte effect there when it dries. So that's Coquille. And then there's one more that I have as well. This is Bonbon. This is actually one of their more popular shades. It's still a nude, but it has more of a red tone. You'll get more of a brown tone with this one. As you can see there, it's more of like a red brown, but again, it has that mattifying look like that. The payoff is really great. It's full coverage. It's full coverage, and you can glide it on whichever way that you want. So I actually really appreciate that it's all full coverage. I don't have to apply and reapply. I don't have to pack them on throughout the day. The only thing that I would say about this particular formula that is unlike a liquid lipstick is that these do transfer. Whereas a liquid matte lipstick, they dry matte to the point where you don't see it on your cup, you don't see it on your straw. These, however, they do transfer. I've had some situations where, you know, I was drinking a glass of water and I see it on the rim of my glass, and you're gonna want to reapply them throughout the day. Just a little bit, touch-ups are definitely necessary, but that's why it's obviously small enough so that you can put it in your makeup bag and you put it in your purse, you can take it with you. But that's the only thing about this formula, that it is transformable. But I would definitely give it a try. So thank you so much, and I hope this information helps you for any of those makeup lovers out there.